Yep. Hey, get out of there, get out of there.
Get out of there, guys, get out of there.
Watch yourself. Yellow, coming out. Falling back! Yellow, coming out! Fucking goddamn bees! Got stung. Fuck me. I'm falling back! Stung by bee! Fuck! Ah! Fuck! No fucking shit, right? Let me get assistance. Let me get a guy assisting me. I got bees all over the fucking... God damn it. Fuck. Andrew. Anyone from yellow team, help me out.
What's wrong?
Getting fucking lit up by goddamn bees.
Dude, get the fuck out of there.
It's way the fuck over there, dude.
Come this way.
Give me a fuck second.
Come on. I'll check you over here. I can't risk it.
Got it. Fuck. It's fucking lit the fuck up. God damn it. No, I'm not allergic. Fucking, I got like 3 stings on me.
How do I get this thing? Oh, I got it.
Fuck.
Get that shit out of there.
Face, ribs. I still got the fucking splinter in me, or what the fuck it is.
Let me see.
It's like somewhere over here. One of my ribs. Check my side. God, that fucking hurts.
Right, exactly. That ain't inside, right?
No, I don't think so. If I did, I'd probably still feeling it. Fuck, that hurt.
Where the motherfuckers at?
They were like off that ridge over there.
I mean the bees.
Where?
Yeah.
I don't know, they're off now. They followed me for a second, but fuck, that hurt. I was getting some gun down. Fuck.
You have a call? Nope, you didn't.
Spies bees sometimes. And it wasn't even me who stirred them up, it was the goddamn 60.
Oh, shooting at them?
No, it was
Unintentionally shooting at them?
unintentionally. Because I got some friendly ass fire.
Yeah.
I'm like, fuck me. Cool. God damn it. Couches with bees. Dude, you too? Fuck yeah.
What's up? Where's you stung?
Face and ribs.
Geographically speaking.
Huh?
Geographically. Somewhere over there.
No, wrong. I ran over there. They're over here up this trail.
Oh, son of a bitch. So they were yelling at me when they said, hey, get away from the hive.
Yeah.
I looked around, I didn't hear any buzzing or something.
Yeah, because they chased my ass.
Oh, cool. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Thanks, bro. They got water?
Negative.
Do we wish we had water? Fuck yeah.
Dude, we took out this whole part right here was strategically amazing.
Yeah. That was nice. It was a nice fall.
That's not cool.
No, it's not.
You see that funnel fucking
What the fuck that? Yeah, dude.
That's like 10-inch fucking fire right there.
Fuck, god damn, that fucking hurt too, man.
Right?
No.
Yeah.
I'm back in the game, guys. Thanks for the assist.
No problemo.
Oh, that's on fucking video too, dude.
Yeah? Nice.
Fuck, bees.
I was like,
Back in the game, guys.
oh shit.
That's friendly.
Oh, that was blue, bro. Wasn't it? Or do you just have something blue on the shirt?
Fuck it, let's get him. Guys, be careful. There was a hive of bees. I just got stung like 3 times.
I'm here, man.
Alright. Are we going to continue pushing to the right?
Yeah. Yellow, come from your 6. Friendly, 6 o'clock.
Dead man walking. Walking on home.
6 o'clock, friendlies.
Just some motherfuckers coming through.
Friendlies, friendlies. Friendlies, friendlies. Never mind, there's enemy. Ian, enemy, you're 11 o'clock.
We got yellow right here.
Over there. I think I got hit or they fell back.
Move up.
Just ran into a nasty beehive. Stung twice. Builds character.
The puppies are stunk. We can move back and forth now.
Look at all the trees.
How far?
I think there's a bee flying around.
Fuck bees.
Yeah, he does. He's got to
I don't know if I the Connex box if they're friendly or not.
We got yellow right there. He's not getting shot at from friendly! What's coming? In a goose, dude.
It's all yellow.
I should have put yellow on my fours, maybe.
Yeah. blue. Blue, blue. Hell yeah.
Got him, Glenn. Nice job.
There's guys over there.
Are you yellow guy?
Game over! Ceasefire! Yellow done it again. Good game, man. Nice. Good stuff right there. Game over. Awesome game. Full of bee stings and BS.